pay a bit to our lecturer, Madam Rohaina. Today, we are going to present a tree report on our case study titled Solar PV Installation in Kapit, Sarawak. Our members are ESAFEENA Binti Bujang, a project manager, ANJELI MARYLYN anak BANADIC, assistant manager, MOHAMMAD HAFIZSAUFI bin OTMAN, engineer, MOHAMMAD ARIF NAJMI bin SHARRUDIN, supervisor. Last but not least, MOHAMMAD ZULKARNAIN bin MOHAMMAD RODZI, supervisor. Next. On the problem definition part, consists 6 parts which are title, problem description, goal, date, problem category, and expected benefits. Next. Problem description. To install solar PV in a rural area due to difficulties to get electricity and to prevent short circuit on power supply due to high demand. Next. As for the goal to this project, we planning to install PV grid at 2,500 to 3,000 kilowatt per day at Kapit. Next is to manage to supply electricity up to 15 long houses. And last but not least is to help facilitate villagers' daily activity and to advance economic sector among people who live in the urban area. The date for this project is, the starting date is 1st January 2021 and estimated completion date is 28th of December 2021. Next. Problem category are the quality, cost, moral, and health and safety. Expected benefits are including Sarawak Energy Berhad grid costs more compared to solar, able to save costs and environmentally friendly.
Hello and hi, my name is Mohammed from RODZI and I will present about cost analysis. Cost analysis divide by 2 points. The first one, cost, effect and why. Second one, cost analysis, summary and data supporting background. The first point. The first point about our fishbone diagram that in fact insufficient electricity supply. Person, people don't dare to take a risk. Second, lack of knowledge. Method, unsuitable transportation method and communication problem. Machine, using a generator and using a non-Sarawak energy substation. Environment, North Sarawak energy and rural area. And the last one, material. Material costs, maintenance costs and labor costs. And now I will give to ANJELI for the next.
My name is ANJELI anak BANADIC. So I want to continue the presentation on the cost analysis summary and data supporting background. Next. Okay, so this is the main factor of the cost analysis summary. Number 1, area far from city place. Number 2, there are no electricity pole in interior. That's why Sarawak Energy Berhad cannot provide electricity supply. Rural area as mangrove hills or no roads make it difficult for Sarawak Energy to provide electricity. Last, the use of diesel generators cause environmental pollution. Okay, next. So this is the data that I have found in Gaisma on the Kapit Sarawak. So if we all can see on this data, it provides us the 12 month on January until December, and it have the sum of temperature and sum of insolation, kilowatt per hour, meter per square per day. So this is the bar and the line graph on the data that we have made. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Arif NAJMI bin SHARRUDIN. Today, I will present about countermeasure. In countermeasure, we got 2 points that we're gonna talk about, which is first, corrective action and quick win. Second, team member and role. We will start with a priority. The for priority, the action that we gonna do is solar PV panel maintenance, and the one who in charge is Muhammad ZULKARNAIN bin Muhammad RODZI. This action need to do every 6 months. For second action, which is solar PV panel inspection, the one who in charge is Muhammad Arif NAJMI bin SHARRUDIN, which is me, and this action need to do for every 6 months. So for the next thing that we're gonna talk is team member. This is our team member and their role.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad HAFIZSAUFI. For next, I will talk about Gantt chart. Okay, this is our Gantt chart for this project. Okay, this project will start on 1st January 2021 and estimate to end for 28 December 2021. For phase 1, we will do data collection to do site visit, survey and discuss. For phase 1, estimate from for month January. For phase 2, data analysis. We will collect solar radiation data, load profile, communication plan, risk management, budget and forecast. This is we'll do on February 2021. For phase 3, equipment. We'll do survey, price, buy and equipment delivery for estimate for March 2021. Phase 4, project launch and equation. This project will start do April until September. And phase 5, project close to do monitor and double check all and submit the report. Okay, that's all for me and thank you.
Hello, back to me again. I will show you our result for our project. Based on data, May to August is month that has a very high temperature compared to other months, which is 27.19 degrees Celsius to 27.3 degrees Celsius, while the month with the lowest temperature, January and February, the month with the highest insolation is January, which is 5.29, and the lowest is in December, which is 3.95. This is our data for our project.
Okay, back with me again. I will continue about last part of grid system. For this project, we will use off-grid system. That means from solar panel will go to charger controller and go to battery bank. And if battery bank is low, generator will back up to supply to AC circuit. That is all from us to present about solar PV at Kapit, Sarawak using A3 report. Thank you.